Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your account with Squarespace, detailed guide step by step clearly. To cancel your Squarespace account, begin by logging in to your Squarespace account. Once logged in, navigate to the home menu on the left side of the screen. Locate and click on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and click on Billing and Account. Here, you will find several options related to your account. Click on Subscription. Now, you'll see details about your current subscription plan. To proceed with cancellation, look for the Cancel Subscription button. Click on Cancel Subscription. A prompt will appear asking for confirmation. Read the information provided, as it explains what happens when you cancel. If you are certain about your decision, select Continue. You may be asked to provide feedback about your experience. You can fill out the survey or skip this step if you prefer. After that, confirm your cancellation by clicking Cancel Subscription once more. You will receive a confirmation email about your cancellation. Make sure to check your email for this confirmation. If you have any domains or additional products, consider managing or transferring them before the cancellation is finalized. Remember, your site will remain live until the end of your current billing cycle. If you need to reactivate your account in the future, you can do so by logging in before your site is fully deactivated. That's it. You have successfully canceled your Squarespace account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.